For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.
Hi, I'm Rich from the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game.
And I'm Dominic Donald from Domos Catering.
And Dominic is a family-style Louisiana chef.
Yes.
And today we're doing a Cajun chicken elbow Alfredo.
Yep.
But this is also something that you can do with pheasant or any upland game bird.
Right.
For me, I found out that once I cook it 2 or 3 times, then I get really good at it. So the first time's kind of an experiment. And if you wreck it, you have plenty of wild game in your freezer, so that's what frozen pizzas are for. If you wreck your meal, throw in
the frozen pizza.
That's what they were for at my house when we were experimenting with different recipes.
And one good thing about this dish is that it's a rich dish, so you don't need that much to get full off of it, but you don't need enough of it because a lot of people are going to want some of it. So.
Yeah, everything he's cooked for us so far, if you've seen some of the other episodes, it's been really great. Really great.
Thank you, Rick.
It's a different, every part of the country has their own style and flavors. So this is the reason we're using Dominic for the Louisiana style, because he's got some unique flavors.
Yes. Put a kick in it. All right.
All right, so we'll get together. We'll stay tuned. Watch Dominic create a great recipe.
Yep, thank you. All right. Hey folks, welcome back. This is the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt, and I'm Dominic Donald from Domos Catering, aka Domos Dynamite Catering. And today we're cooking something a little bit different than we usually cook on the show. Today we're doing a Cajun chicken elbow Alfredo. Now this is passed down also in my family, but I'm a Alfredo guy, so I did add my veggies, because you know I'm a veggie guy also, to this dish to make it a little bit better and a little bit more savory. We do have some new ingredients today. We are cooking with yellow bell pepper. This is our orange bell pepper, a little bit sweeter than yellow. We got green bell pepper, which is milder. We also is cooking with some tomatoes, which are aroma tomatoes. We have white onion. We have the skinny asparagus. Around this season, asparagus can be hard to find, but you can go and get it out of the can or out of your produce section inside the bag if you can't find it fresh. We also do have portobello mushrooms right here. I'm keeping some butter handy just in case for flavoring. We also have pureed garlic, our salt and pepper, and our seasonings we're going to use to make this dish excellent. Okay, so for my protein, I am using a boneless chicken breast. A substitute can be pheasant also, because pheasant is a great meat to use in this dish. It is a lean meat and it is very delicious. We also have some shrimp, baby shrimp here, that is also deveined and ready to go. Okay, so I am cooking with my favorite friend, OVE, olive oil. I don't know if Rich is ready, but I know I'm ready to eat. All right, Rich, you come on in. Let's get it going.
I'm ready.
All right, here you go. This is the Cajun elbow chicken Alfredo I've been telling you I'm gonna make.
Chicken Alfredo.
Yes.
Cajun style.
What you think?
Wonderful. I just can't figure out how you do it. I watch you do it and I do it. It's great.
One of them easy dishes you can make on the go. All you gotta do is have some veggies.
But now if you want it hotter, all we have to do is add some more Cajun.
Yes.
Some Cajun spice to your own bowl, and this way the kids can enjoy it. This is absolutely a kid-friendly meal.
Right. Thank you. Try to make it not too hot, just so you can taste the ingredients just right. But then, like you said, you can add more Cajun to it.
This is very good.
No, I'll try.
Well, I'm Rich from the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game.
And I'm Dominic Donald. I'm from Domos, Dynamite Catering.
And this dish is Cajun chicken elbow Alfredo. Now, it's one of them substitutes. To be a good substitute would be pheasant or any upland game bird. But this is just fantastic, and it's pretty simple. I mean, 35 minutes from start, when we start cutting the vegetables till we're done. And this is a large pot. So if you've got a large group of people or a large family, this is a simple, fast, and it's not that expensive recipe either.
Right, not that expensive at all. A very good recipe. Don't take that long to make, and I think it's a good viewing point for your people to watch here that want to learn how to cook Alfredo.
And then I bet you this would be great with rabbit or squirrel.
Oh yeah,
Great in here.
Make me want to go catch a rabbit right now, Rich.
And the problem is once you learn to cook wild game, your family's going to want you to go hunting more.
Right.
Be careful about that.
All right.
Enjoy.
Bon appetit.
For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cookingwildgame.